What up, y'all? I'm KKB Wob, and today we're going to be unboxing and checking out the Record Alice V2 from Weikav. Is that how you say it? Weikav? I'm not sure. Anyway, this is a sub $100-ish, depending on where you get it, Alice layout, bare bones keyboard. Before we get started, I always like to make it clear that this keyboard was sent to me for review from Weikav. However, all opinions are my own and from my experience using and building a keyboard. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, as it greatly helps my channel and allows me to bring more reviews like these to you in the future. If you're new here, I like to make my reviews straight to the point, not much fluff, to help you make an informed decision on your purchase. Let's jump right into it. We'll see how the board looks, unbox it, hear it, and then I'll give you my thoughts on the back end. Cheers. The Record V2 can be purchased from $95 to $115 directly from Weikav. The price is dependent on the color, and it comes in 5 different colors. These colors include black, silver, retro white, red, and pink. Overall, the board is the same as the original Record Alice, besides 2 things. It now has a tri-mode PCB with a 3000 mAh battery, and the anode encoding has been improved. When opening the box, you'll find the following included with your purchase: the user guide, USB dongle, tool to take the keyboard apart, a switch and keycap puller combo, and lastly a generic USB-A to USB-C cable to connect the keyboard to your PC. As far as features, it includes a tri-mode connectivity, south-facing hot swap sockets, it is VIA compatible, an RGB strip on the bottom left of the keyboard, and an aluminum weight. The only plate option is the included polycarbonate plate, and it comes with all the foam you need. Keep in mind this unit here, when I unboxed it, it had keycaps and switches in it already, as I already built it. It also comes with plate mount stabilizers, which they're alright, but they could be upgraded. Let's quickly hear how it sounds, and then I'll give you my recommendations afterwards. Overall, I would say the V2 of the Record Alice is almost identical to the original version. I can put up a link to that review in the description below for you to check out and see my thoughts on it, the original version. However, I think them introducing wireless is a great option for those looking for it in the specific layout. The sound, feel, and quality, in my opinion, is identical to the V1. I personally don't see any drastic improvements on the finish of the board, but I don't think it's bad. For the price, it's a pretty solid finish. It looks and feels good in hand. This board only sounds good in the foam configuration. Without foam, it is very thin and quiet. This is because of all the flex cuts on the PCB and plate. Realistically, I think you can purchase an aftermarket plate from like AliExpress probably to get a better foamless sound signature out of it, but I wouldn't count on it. As far as my recommendation, I think if you're looking for a foamed out wireless Alice, this is a great option. If you have the original Record and aren't interested in the wireless connectivity, I would say the upgrade isn't worth it, as it's basically the same keyboard but with a wireless feature. Now, if you're looking for another Alice option that is pretty similar price point, a little more expensive, I would point your attention to the Neo Ergo, as it is far better in terms of sound, quality, and features. It sounds good no matter what way you build it. And it also has way more customization options. Keep in mind it is more expensive, but I think it's worth saving up for a month or two more, or however long it takes you to save you. That's it for now. As always, check out some of my content here. Make sure you like and subscribe, and most importantly, have a great rest of your week. KKB Wob out.